Hey everyone, wondering how to turn off those message delivered tick marks on Facebook Messenger? It's a common privacy concern, and while you can't fully disable the delivered tick, there are some clever workarounds to manage your privacy. In this tutorial, I'll show you some effective tricks to gain a bit more control. Let's get into it. Method 1. Use active status settings to hide your activity. This won't directly affect the delivered tick, but it makes your overall online presence less obvious. Open Messenger on your Android or iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Archive Status. Toggle Show when you're active to Off. This hides your online status, making it less clear when you're available on Messenger. Method 2. Turn off read receipts. If your goal is to hide the seen status, you can disable read receipts. Open Messenger and tap your profile picture. Select Privacy and Safety. Look for read receipts and toggle it off. This will stop others from seeing when you read their messages, but it won't turn off the initial delivered tick mark. While you can't fully disable the delivered tick marks in Facebook Messenger, these steps can help you control your privacy and online visibility a bit more. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more Messenger tips. Thanks for watching.